I'm moving. Literally, I can start moving into my apartment tomorrow morning. But don't even mind the mess behind me. I'm packing. My nose is so congested. I feel like garbage. I'm exhausted. I have so much work to do. I got my own apartment, and the thing that's so exciting about this is that it's my first solo apartment. I've always lived with roommates or exes. Now, this is my first time having my own space, and you guys have no idea how much I have wanted this. Like, I can't even explain it to you. Basically, tomorrow morning, my boyfriend and I are gonna head over to my apartment and we're gonna start moving in some stuff, like my plants, just because they're super fragile and I don't want the moving truck to take them. I bought a mattress that's like rolled up in a box and I have to put it out for 24 hours or 48 hours or something. So tomorrow morning, my boyfriend and I are going to basically bring over all that kind of stuff. We're gonna go grocery shopping. He's gonna help me set up my Wi-Fi, blah, blah, blah. The moving truck will come Sunday morning. We're gonna unpack everything and then I'll be officially moved into my own apartment. I need to get laundry detergent. I need to go to the apartment and clean everything before we move stuff in. I'll start with that tonight, and then tomorrow morning everything will be super clean, so when Jacob and I go over, it will be all ready. So if you're down for the journey, let's do it. Target, here we come. I cannot even explain to you how excited I am. Oh, it's so cold. It's chilly out here, isn't it? I literally love Target. I go at least once a day just for the vibes, like just simply to feel it. At Target, you can't even really see it. We are here. Do not mind the camera quality switching to iPhone because I'm too embarrassed to bring my camera in and vlog. So spent $150 on this little bag of shit. Let's go. I'm telling you guys, if you haven't tried this, the sooo organic vibrant probiotic drink, every time I go to Target, I gotta grab one. Okay, next up, apartment, and I'll do a haul. I'm here. Target haul. There's still stuff in my car because I like literally couldn't carry all these bags in. Laundry detergent. I used the Method detergent packs. I really wanted a black shower curtain and there was only one and it was $30. This is the Casa Luna waffle shower curtain in black. It's really soft though, so I'm like, and I also got a shower liner, Clorox wipes, toilet cleaning stamps. This is for my spoiled boyfriend. I got him razors, I got him socks, and I got him a black sweatsuit. I just want him to feel comfy when he comes over, so I'm gonna make him a boyfriend basket. And then I got these plain black shower rings. I want to give you guys a tour first. You walk in and right here's the bathroom. There is a bathtub. This shower needs to be cleaned so badly. It's actually gross. There is a bathroom closet, which I love because I've never had a bathroom closet before. And here's me. Hi. Medicine cabinet, so y'all know what's going in there. Skincare. I actually have a coat closet. The last time I left a lot of stuff here actually is from the front door. Here is my bedroom. So this is what it looks like. There's a window. It's nighttime, so I'm just keeping it closed. She left her little mini TV here. And then there's a really big double closet. So then we walk out And there is a kitchen, and there's actually a pantry. And this is the living area. The exposed brick, I can't. It's so New York City, and I think that's why I love it so much, because it reminds me of my favorite place ever. And there's these really big open window shelves. And the last tenant left her pothos plant, which I'm gonna nurse back to health. And she also left a ton of furniture. She left these 2 black bookshelves, which is perfect because I was just about to buy 2 black bookshelves. She left a big TV, and she left her couch, which I bought a black cover for. But then there's these wonderful, like, huge windows. And then the white exposed brick, I'm screaming. This loops back around into the bedroom. Okay, low-key did not realize how weirdly dirty it is in here. What I'm gonna have to do is go to CVS and get some gloves, get some bleach, get some, it's gonna look not correct on the CCTV, but I have to do what I have to do. Yeah, literally that's just not cutting it. I also hope that they have scrub daddies there, because there's no way the shower is gonna be clean without a scrub daddy. So let's go to CVS. Oh, he's hitting the dance moves. You guys, it has been hours. It's literally 11 p.m. No, it's 11:30. This place is literally so dirty. I don't even know how it's this dirty, but I did the baseboards literally only on this half of the living area, and I did them 4 or 5 times, and it took me over an hour. I cleaned the shower 3 times. Shout out this, the power paste from Scrub Daddy. This actually worked. Jake came over and we had dinner together. So that's really it. I think I'm gonna head out of here. I might take a load of my stuff and leave it here, and then I can fill my car for tomorrow. So I will see you guys then. Good morning. It is the next day. I am currently packing all of my plants up. Jake is coming over soon to help me move all of my plants. Official moving day isn't until Sunday, so we're just trying to get my plants in there. And my car literally looks like a jungle. Here's the back. That is the front so far. I still have this one, which is massive. It's almost as tall as me. I have these 2, all of these ones over here. I have a few upstairs as well, and then I have these 2 massive birds of paradise that I think we're just gonna have to put in the moving truck. My car is filled. Coffee over here, and we're in. Girls, we are in. Look at this. I can't. Hi vlog. I got a strong boyfriend. Okay, we've officially made a huge mess. This is an Emma mattress. I'm gonna let you guys know if I like it. It's not sponsored. They did not send it to me. So I guess we'll find out if it's worth the $800 I spent on it, including the mattress topper. So I don't know, we'll see. I feel like we should build a bed frame first, right? Okay, this is a little message for Jacob. If you're watching this, you're the best boyfriend in the world. Thank you so much for helping me and like not complaining a single time. It's so rare to find somebody who helps you and like supports you solely because they care about you and they actually want to, and they're not just doing it because they feel like they have to. Oh my goodness, he's so helpful and wonderful. Disgusting. Like even the outlet covers are like dusty, crusty. Ew. Okay, bye. Hi. night. It is many, many hours later. It's been a full day. It's currently almost 7 p.m. Jake and I got a late lunch and then he went to work. We got so much done. I think I need to sit down for this one because I have so much to say. So ultimately, like, today's been jam-packed with just stuff. The most completed room is my bedroom. The bathroom, I don't even want to talk about what happened. I got one of those like gel things that you put in the toilet and you press it and it puts a little gel. I accidentally pressed all 6 of them and it just made this big blob in the side of the toilet. I didn't even take a picture because I was so embarrassed. I hung up my paper towel roll, if that counts for anything. So I went back to my parents' house. I showered. I grabbed some more stuff, brought in another load of things, and I think I'm just gonna like make my bed because I mopped the floor in there. And I just have like a little message that I want to say. This is just a reminder to never, ever, ever settle. I had such an easy and fun time with Jake today, and I feel like before moving would be like super stressful and I would feel really guilty for needing help. People would guilt trip me for helping or complain a lot or just make me feel bad about needing help, or just like, oh, are we almost done? When are we gonna be done with this? There's more, you know, like that kind of thing. And seriously, Jake hasn't done that a single time. He was so helpful, so fun, and just like such a joy to be around today. And I'm just so incredibly grateful for him, and I'm just really thankful that he's in my life, and just there's going to be somebody out there that's going to check all your boxes and then some. So Jake, if you're watching this, thank you. You literally mean the world to me, and I enjoy like even the mundane things with you. To the bedroom. I still need to set up my Wi-Fi, which is a mess. Trash. I can probably put my rug since I already mopped the floor in here. I'm gonna make the bed, and I love this little spot in my closet. Okay, this is the comforter I got. It's from the brand Bear. It's an oversized queen. You probably noticed my checker theme, so I got this blanket from Target. It's checkered, shocker. Look how cute it is. It looks so good. I'm deciding whether to put this rug, but I feel like with the checkered blanket it's gonna be too much. So I think I'm gonna put my lazy oaf rug in here, and it'll be like half under the bed, but mostly just kind of covering that area. Okay, so I'm making Jake a little boyfriend basket. One, because he'll probably stay here a lot, and two, an appreciation for him because he has seriously done way more than he needed to help me out. I got these plastic bins at Target. So the first thing is Harry's razors. His favorite deodorant, it's the Dove dry spray. This is the sandalwood and orange. I got him contact solution and a little contact case. I got him a little hemp-infused lip balm, the Dermasil Eczema Moisture Relief Lotion. I got him some toothbrushes. It's moving day. It's such a mess. Say hi to the vlog. He did literally everything, girlies.
Hi, vlog.
So excited to unpack it.
Well, looks kind of cool on video. All my life, trying to keep me down. All my life, they were trying to keep me down, trying to keep me down. Ooh-wee.
I'm trying to find your cord. It's in a Home Depot box.
What box could it be in?
Burr! Burr, I'm cold. Let's just open up all these suckers.
Unboxing with dad threads.
Not that one. Not this one. I think it might be boy sounds. Hi, it's been a minute. It's been a few days. It is currently the day after I moved everything in. Barely filmed yesterday. Like, literally couldn't be bothered. There was too much going on. There was too much stuff. It was so stressful. But I'm going to show you the state of things. It's not good right now. It's so crowded. The entryway I don't even want to address it. The bathroom and bedroom, don't even want to address them. The main living space is actually coming together. I would say the most organized out of everything is my little coffee corner because I had to have that ready. This is going to sound insane, but if you guys have a lot of perfumes, the best way to pack them is with your pads. It's like Tetris, a liner between each perfume, a pad between the middle. I'm telling you, it sounds weird, but it works. I got all of my books mostly into here. I had to put some over here though because I just have too many and I think there's one more box. The office is a mess. It's coming together. I organized most of my beauty products today. And then the bedroom, I haven't even addressed it yet. I think it's the least important as long as I can get to my bed. I'm gonna work on the office because I really need it together. Making my black and white frame wall, art wall. I laid it all on the floor so I know exactly how to hang it up, and Jake is helping me.